Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and my math mentor. I've never even thought about this. When you draw a 2-point line at this angle, but you want to continue it forward, I've never had any luck because it'll move on you. But what you can do is just take that 2-point line and then grab it with a pick tool and just use this corner just to expand it as long as you want it. I've always tried it with the shape tool, and so I've ordered something today, and then you just Control D and make a duplicate of that guy and mirror it, and then take that and click. Then you still need your center line. So we'll grab the 2-point line and just go from there. Now you can go right to that point. You can actually go, well, it'd be better to go right to the intersection, then that way they're perfect. And then that way you've got those lines. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.